Cooking delicious Sichuan cuisine is all about choosing the right ingredients. Classic Szechuan's pickled round red chili offers an appetizing sour and spicy flavor, making it an irreplaceable versatile option. Naturally fermented, classic Szechuan's pickled round red chili maintains its unique sour and spicy taste, perfectly complementing various dishes. Whether it's used in frog with pickled pepper or other Sichuan dishes, it showcases its distinct charm. For frog preparation, clean and cut the frog. Marinate with light soy sauce, pepper, egg white, oyster sauce, and beer. Add cornstarch, mix well, and marinate for 30 minutes. Heat oil to 302. Fry the marinated frog for about 20 seconds, then set aside. In the same wok, heat oil, add pickled ginger and garlic for fragrance, then add green Sichuan peppercorns and broad bean paste. Add chopped pickled round red chili and onions, then stir-fry whole pickled round red chili until fragrant. Add the fried frog to the wok, pour in beer and bring to a boil. Add blanched ingredients, season with pepper and sugar for freshness. Stir well, and it's ready to serve. Thanks to classic Szechuan's unique pickled round red chili with its distinctive seasoning, the aroma is enticing, and the appetizing sour and spicy flavor makes it an excellent choice to pair with rice. Authentic Szechuan flavor from classic Szechuan.